Thank you. Let us start with sharing a few words about us with you. What we've noticed here at Vojnovic, being for the first time here, is that companies are either startups or in early stages of coming to the market, or established players for many years. Most of them. But we're both. Because New Frontier Group is one of the largest system integrators in Central and Eastern Europe, top 10 in the Gartner. And last year we have decided to put our iBanking product into a new company called Innova, to give it a focus and to expand on what the product does and what we do with the product for the customers. We've been building customer interaction solutions for banks for more than 10 years. We have about 20-something banks that we work with. And when we say customer interaction, this is portals, of course, mobile applications, SMS bankings, even USSD banking, call center bankings, etc. So we've seen that the trend, especially in the last 5 years, is how do you make that experience for the users personal? How do you make it unique to them so that it matters to them? So it's not just blank, tailored to everyone, meaning for no one. So we said, let's do something about it, and let's try to make it as personal as we can. And this is what our innovation is about. Today we will talk to you about our personal experience module that lets banks automatically create personal, tailor-made experiences on the level of a single user, not on a segment or a group. So in order to understand what we've done, we'll show you a generic screen of internet banking. This is actually what we've done for one of our clients. And you will see that it does have a CRM widget on the top that gives a personalized CRM message. It does have a personal finances module that tells how the spending was, what did the customer do. It does have his account data, etc., etc. And this is all good. This is much better than it has ever been before. And you will see a lot of portals from a lot of companies that do this, and we think it's great that banking is going this way. But then we said, can we do more than this? Can we make it even more personal? Not on the level of widget, but can we make it on the level of the whole experience? Can we make it individual for each of the users? So we said, all right, where can we find such experience? Is there any other industry that does that? And we looked around, and actually we found that there is an industry that does that. And it's industry of online dating. Because in online dating, what you do, and obviously this is an account of a friend. And so in online dating industry, what you do is you tell to a site stuff about you, what you like, where you live, what are your preferences, and then the site automatically matches your profile data to the best offer it can give you. And some sites even give you percentage match. So 99%, go and get married. So we said, can we have this principle in banking? Because banks do know data about their customers. They do know what products they have, what services they use, what is the history of interactions. Banks have that data. Can we use that data on individual level? And can we match it with the best possible, not only offer in the CRM, yes, that as well, by all means, but with the whole experience. And we'll show you what we've done. And this is the examples of what we do is, Dan will now log into our portal. And as he logs in, the site, the portal calculates what is the best mashup for him, just for him, and provides him with his data. And you will see that at this time, for his products and services, the best possible setup is that he has a personal banker in the middle. On the right side, you will see there is some information about the loan. Now the system, if you see on the top right corner, there's a calendar widget, which gives you static calendar data. Now the system, we have slowed this down so that you can follow the demo. So we've slowed down the demo, otherwise it would be done automatically. Instead of a static calendar data, the system now realizes, as you can see over there, that the last installment is due on the loan. So the calendar data gets into red and says, hang on, it's your last installment due. The widget in the middle changes. The personal banker now gets highlighted and say, would you like to settle your last installment? And obviously you can get into a text chat or a video chat with the agent and you have an offer, yes, I want to pay. You click on the pay button, your payment widget gets highlighted, you get offered obviously a choice which account you want to settle the loan from, the amount is already known or you can manually change it, and now you can tell to the system, yes, please settle my loan. Now, what happens is, as you do that, as you start into the process, this is one of the major events. Now the system knows something dramatic is going to happen because someone has just been settled his whole loan. And as we dismiss this message over here in the middle of the page, the whole portal gets rebuilt. Now, obviously, you can do this between the logins. You don't need to do it live with the transitions, but you could. So now the system knows this is a better setup for this user. I want to put in the middle the most important information to him. This is how much money he's got. Next to it, following the F shape, how people read the pages, I will put his personal financial data. And next to that, cards, which haven't been there before. Which means that for each user, if I want to, I don't have to, but if I want to, I can build exact mashup. Now the beauty of this is that this is automatic. So you tell to the system, and this is a master view, so we'll show you just a little bit on the settings side. You tell how sensitive you want to be on what page for what products, and the rest the system automatically calculates. It works across all channels, so you can have exactly the same personalized experience on any platform, on mobile phones, on tablets, obviously on portals. You can even have it on ATMs, which have smart browser functionalities. So this is what we've done. This is the innovation. We believe that personalization can be brought to individual level, not only to the segment, and that the whole experience, not just CRM, can be personalized. Come see us if you want to know more about this. We can show you how it works, what are the algorithms in the back, and maybe we can talk what we can do for you. Thank you very much.